from Zion, IQ, Jamaica record, that respect, bless.
Yeah, right now, here's Slingers. Yeah, man, the real youth Slingers. Use and get them gal. Yes, angel strength we take and get them dollars. Angel strength, that means no weakness. We take and get them girlier. Big and serious. Good afternoon, good morning, good whatever you're experiencing at your neck of the wood. Once again, this is BSB radio station from London to the world, and we are highlighting young artists. This moment we are promoting young artists, and we are sending out the young artists out there for the world to hear them. And at the turntable right now we have Slingers, big and serious, out of St. Elizabeth Junction to be exact, to the world, from England to the world, big and serious. Slingers, keep it real. Angel strength we get youth we use and get them girl. Well, I tell you about the strong angel strength. Big and serious. Natalia Samuels, what you say? Bless yourself. Good afternoon, darling. Good afternoon. Here come Jalayan. Tell us a young artist we are featuring now. We have to make young artists them go out there and you decide whether or not you want them, because we have to play them. Once they record them song and they come to me, I will have to play them, because I have nothing against youth and youth who are try boss. I don't have nothing against the one who decide to do all the hard work. And right now, no matter where the young artists them come from, no matter where them name, I will play their music and I will push it out there to the world, because I hear some rubbish from some so-called professional, and them young artists here really can do better than them. So me as the people, sometimes I go for the name brand, I go for the young artists. But them artists here real more than some of the one them out there. I tell you that. My life is a very long road with so many pagans across. My life is a very long road with so many pagans across. I can imagine, yes, very long road with so many rivers to cross. Yeah man, reality. A reality youth I sing. Small little youth, we have to big him up, yes. Give him another 5 or 7 years in the business And the youth, they're going to show we say right now, we're ready for the world. So we can't hold back the youth them, big and serious. We can't hold back the youth them. The one name Wake Up, and it's coming from Queen of Sheba. That's the Queen of Sheba, big and serious. You know them artists, them young right now, but them not go young forever. Can tell you that for real. This one now, Singer Lion, what the name? Bless up yourself, Singer Lion.
I sing Lion, rich them tough like I am, that's up from Zion. That respect, it man the production. I too, big up yourself. My journey and my journey. Why pagans want to stop me? Fire me father in my light, my steps.
Them young artists make me feel good, you know. I like them, I like the vibes, my journey. And they had a positive focus from early. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Them young artists are sweet, me not lie. And them positive, we love it. And people, when they go out, they go buy Singer Lion song. Go out, they go buy all of the artists' song. All of them. Are they too much? Yeah, Singer Lion that. And here come. Give them what they want. And we're gonna give you what you want. Derek Peters right here. Alien Sweaby, bless up, bless up. Keep it real. Alien, we have to give them what they want. We have to give them what they need. Big up, big up, big up. Right now we're playing the Man of All Man. Yes, man. And you see the writer for the song you do. I love the writer so much, you know, cause trust me, the one who perform it will love him. And the one who write it, that's where the creativity begin. So I big up everybody, both the performer and the writer. More blessing. The song you say give them what they want. Man called Derek Peters. Give them what they want. Don't deprive them. Basically it said don't deprive them, give them what they want. And it's speaking about women. Ladies, if you don't believe, so don't forget what I want. I'm going to pull up a song and put it again. If you don't believe, so don't forget what I want, ladies. Indicate to me, say, yes, we did survey, we determined for it, and we want it. So please don't deprive me. And that's what I say. Not me, I say that, no, I say that. Yeah, if you don't believe, say, it's true. Me know it's true, no, I say that.
Nothing woman them but them scare me, wanna hear me. Loving woman them but them scare me. Give them what they want, ignite them. Give them what they need. Got to please me. Give them what they want, ignite them. Give them what they need. Got to please me. Got to step it up with some real strong mind. Got to step it up, make it stay alive. I figure them dub if them want rubber down. Have to make them cool if them want cool down. We have to make them jump, have to make them taste me. Give them what they want. Ignite them. Give them what they need. Got to please me. Give them what they want. Ignite them.
Ladies, yeah, me like that, I love it. And that mean me have to pull it up again. And if it mean me have to play that song right through to the end of this show, I will have to do it. I love that. Elaine, yes, give them what they want. Susie Walker, give them what they want. And Raquel, I said that too. Shoga, I said that too. Give them what they want. And right now, ladies, I feel no time this. You know, this side of me, you know, and me we have to do it because when you not talk, me have to give them what I want. Big and serious.
Nothing woman them but them scare me.
And if you share it, you know, share it out there. Make the artist go out there, make people hear the artist, man. Go out there, share it. Send it out there to a friend, make a friend know a new artist about the place here is defending the ladies them. Not wanna sit down in a throat. Not wanna say them swiping thing there. Not wanna tell the young daughter and the sister them I turn them in a prostitute early. One who is requesting, give them what they want. I don't need to share this to the people them, trust me. Cause this your man here, pick up on them head and decide to defend the ladies them in a decent way. And some little idiot I talk about dog in a throat and I teach our daughter madness. And then when I rate them and I say, oh, I love alkaline, I love gauge, I love that. And this artist, you want to share it, Rasta. And I believe, say, if you're not sharing a bias, if you're not sharing a double standard, big and serious, once again, give them what they want. The ladies them want some things. Give it to them, now why depriving them?
Nothing woman them but them scare me, wanna hear me. Nothing woman them but them scare me. Give them what they want. Ignite them. Give them what.
Yes, me say the sharing. Keep on sharing. Send it out there. Tag the artist. Tell the artist that listen, BSB in London is playing his song. He should listen and see the glory we are going for him. And they work a hard work when putting in a tune here. Make the artist know what are going right now, man, because the artist deserves to know what is going on for his hard work and how it pay off. Give them what they want. All Alien Ike says she want what she want and she not business. She defend it and she will take it if you don't give her, cause what woman deserve to get what they want.
Nothing woman them but them scare me, wanna hear me. Nothing woman them but them scare me. Give them what they want.
speaking about this, a complaint come to me the other day from a wife. And trust me, I know sometimes I have to wonder, but a wife complained to me the other day, and the wife said, I tell you, 7 times in a 1 year, they have sex. And she said she don't know what's going on. 7 times for the whole year, she and her husband have sex. That means that brother did not give her what she wanted to. Seriously. So now, we have to play this song again from top to the last drop. 7 times in 1 year they have sex. Can you imagine? And they're not disabled. And they're not retarded. Wagwan. Ladies, would you really live in a situation like that? No. Me think that a madness. Seriously. 7 times. Something wrong, man. Something wrong down there. Somebody get sick somewhere. We don't love it. So we have to give them what they want. Of course, we have to give them what they want. Can't starve the people them. Can't make the people them hungry. No, sir. You know right. You know fear. And they already work hard for what they want already and you're deprived. No, sir. You know, one of the best moments in your life is when your woman happy, And one of the best moments, so when your woman happy, hold on, let me talk this song for a minute. You know when your woman happy, boy, you're happy too, Me say when your woman happy, you're happy too, boy, you know tonight gonna be a storm. But if she's sad and sulky or something, trust me, Bridget, a bad life. Me say a bad life. Even if she give you something, give good. Cause she kinda not happy. She will give you still, cause say she wanted what she go on like and she not gonna give the full blast. But you see when you make she happy, whoa. Virgin, me say, as them say storm tonight, big and serious. I no joke. The woman, them forget what they want. And the brother is sitting and he look into it and he said the woman them have needs. And he knows the man them have robbed the woman them. So him have to put pen to paper and said, you know what, Raquel, big up yourself. Who is the author of this song? Yeah. Big up all the people them over there in Bahamas. Big up all my Jamaican, all my Bermudan, Grenadian large up, all my people them there, Trinidad, the whole world. New York, Lord of mercy, things are going. Right now, as I said, the man them forgive the woman what them want. A lady complained to me and tell me how much the man turning back every night but him tired. When you tired, feel up now, seriously, Me, if it was me, I'd rape it. Cause my husband or my wife, whatever it may be. Yeah, you'd have to, come on. You want something and turning back and talk about him tired. No man, you can tired some more. You have to get what you want. Because unless you don't want it either, you are cool off. Because sometimes you don't can tired, But tell me, man, for 1 year, 7 times them do things. Me say, but when me hear the woman say that to me, I almost say, baby girl, and then me have to catch up on myself and say, no, your name Baba Shukwu, you can't stoop so low. Yeah, but it hurt me so much for somebody to complain and tell me, say, what a beautiful woman, good looking, nice woman, a man with dead fat. And the boy had the woman there. And I tell you, say, I deprived the woman. Well, I'm glad for that Virginia. I'm glad for Derek Peters. Derek Peters know where I go on. Big up yourself, Mr. Peters. I him a cry out for the woman them, I him a ball out for the woman them get justice. Cause the rest of man them a turn the woman in a prostitute. I tell them about swipe and all them something there and all them something there and all them down in a throat and all them thing there. And I him I said, no man, there's a better way, there's a nicer way, there's a sweeter way for a relationship. You don't have to really deprive them. You don't have to destroy our youth. All you have to do give the woman what she want, and you must know what she want. So Derek, do your thing, average. Nothing woman them but them share it, share it. Don't stop share it. Send it all over the place. This we go there. Me want this to go global. Me want someone to go viral. Me say me want to go viral. If no other thing never go viral here, this year one you must go viral. Cause we say the man a ball out for the woman them. The man knows it's unfair. The man know justice should prevail. And the man say give them what they want. And right now the world will hear this. Some of them Virginia don't know what them call woman scorn, Because if a woman turn her mind against you, as R. Kelly say, when a woman fed up, I tell you, boy, all the game stop, all trouble stop, I tell you, we better give them what they want and take heed from the brother, yeah, man. That brother Derek Peters, he must spit out some serious words. The man look deep into things. And the man say, no man, over that side yeah. Something not going right here, so the man will ball out. I think Derek is a coastline now and him still gonna get over story from people and then put it together and set it up nice. Because just like me now, woman come and complain and ball out say a 7 times for the whole year. Eh? Then do a little piece and then live together. And the two of them work in the day and come home in the night. And they off weekend. That don't make sense, man. No man, somebody. And then when you cha. Well, Louise and the WhatsApp say, right here, so that can't happen to her. She would go get it. Because right now, he must say worthless. But Louise, you know what happened? You don't have to test your worth, you know. You want to know your worth and that's it. You don't have to go to prove your worth. But right now, the woman them want what them want. And the virgin them forgive them. Derek Peters is balling out and I say, I not have to pull up a song here, I not stop until I fling it out there. Share it with everybody. Every Mr. Body you know, send it out there. Share it out there. Are the biggest and the best right now.
Nothing woman them but them scare me. Nothing woman them but them scare me. Give them what you want. Can't deny them. Give them what you need. Got to please them.
Hold on. Paul, it's a joke thing that Baba. No man, I serious something, Paul. Seriously. I serious something, man, a joke thing. Seriously. I saw you go for you 7 times for the 1 year. For the year then touch. Eh? Not now go on this man. Boy, I tell you, I tell you. Another virgin again, a big man, him about 950s. I've been a wife and I play with her. The wife said I teach her something. And she got Jamaica. You know what she come back with? I don't tell me what she come back with when she got Jamaica. Who know? 50-year-old man I play with a nice a young girl. And she go to Jamaica. She come back with something. What do you think she come back with? The man life mash up because he never want to give her what she want. And she go to Jamaica. As the American statistic and survey say, Jamaican men make better love than Americans. Then with all the hope of sucking and sitting like the way American them do, they no good man love. I not get it. Me not get it because I know them a God for that. Anyway, the woman come back with a belly. The wife, they married mash up. Can never give her what she want. And she go far, go test her worth and get caught. So watch ya. If you don't give her what she want, you know what gonna happen. Big belly. Now him did a scratchy head every minute and I say, boy, if I only know. I can't live with it if I only know. I pay that to him I say. You don't know what next will happen. I can't live with it if I only know. These are 2 words I say, and he just a scratchy head so. Cause I know say somebody give her what she want. Him knows that somebody give her what she really need. Him know that and then see the evidence is there if he need even suspect. Not the big old evidence in front of him. He said, boy, I love my wife, but I don't love where I go on. And he just a scratching and say, no. Me don't know what going to happen either. Me don't know. Elaine said, wow. Yeah, man. She gonna get what she want because him refused to give her what she want. When I think tired and him this and that. Me not tell no lie, you know. People, if not do the little thing there. And the thing I work good and drop down and hard to come up. Me not say why you shouldn't use. No, me not say why. I mean, if you're flaccid, or you're jack bush, we understand you can't do nothing, fair enough. So that you can't do nothing. But as long as you can reach your stage, man, you not do it. No, sir. You know, right. Me not support negativity, but me feel say woman forget what they want. And if you don't give her, she feel get it anyway. She feel like it's safe. Yeah, man. That is why me I want some of the virgin them saying, no, virgin, but not take up a man, you know, take up your age, or older than you. Because when a young girl who much 20 and 15 years old younger than you, and you take them on, and later on you get weak, because you're running hot and never know so you get soft. And then the girl had the fire now, and the fire reach her, and you can't fire her up. She either going to suffer in silence, or she gonna please herself. So what gonna happen now? Me don't know. But you better give them what they want.
Some love coffee, some love tea, some love money, some love jewelry, some love honey, some love me, some love me care more than all they love me. Some may give them what they want.
All man like Derek, you know, I don't think no man would really want to shift out for him, you know. No, because he might give them what they want. And I believe that man will practice when preach, because you couldn't sing them kind of song, my virgin. And then you end up in the same situation. That one is so good. So me, I give the benefit I doubt and say, you are give them what they want. I said this brother refused to give her what she want. And she went to Jamaica. And she come back with a belly. The man said, boy, I love my wife and everything, but me not know, me just not know. Me not know. And him not blame nobody but himself. Yeah, man. Them still in the house together anyway. Nobody know what happened yet. But the man saying can't deal with that. Cause me I tell you, but you know, come to think about it, you know. Who you think would be wrong in that situation now? Do you think a woman wrong or him wrong? No, wanna be my judge. Tell me what I want. Do you think the lady wrong to go and get a belly come back in the house? Or you think the man wrong to make she go and get it? I want to hear one officer, yeah, man. Because sometimes you know a better judge than me. Yesterday me attack and Sister Sharon said to me, say, boy, me attack the man too much and the criminal girl get away. But in reality, the man is just wrong and the man just foolish. You can't go invest in a woman and then later on never invest in yourself. The man can say you is inferior, low in rank and quality. And I am now superior because I have my LLB. Then we have to defend the girl and say, girl, you get an opportunity, you take it. Because if it was me, I wouldn't sit in a little agreement where which part, no matter how far you go, no matter where the relationship go, my little piece when me put in, secure and pay me back little. Because so you go make you go borrow money and send it to university and you come back and tell me, you know what happened? You are inferior. You are low in rank and quality. You are nowhere near me now. You can't speak properly. You can't look properly. You can't act properly. You're just dunce and daft. So when she did not collect the money, he never dunce and daft. Come on, people. Me say I kill the woman when they want, you know. I'm sorry you never get her pregnant and let me see who is who and what is what.
Whatever they want, make we keep them yo. From dusk till dawn, till we not tell them yo. Whatever they think, baby, shout it loud. A strictly satisfaction with pleasure yo. We have to step it up with some real strong vibes. Have to step it up, make it stay alive. We have to give them top if them want rubber dub. Have to make them cool if them want cool down. We have to make them jump, have to make them tasty.
What do they want? Whatever they want, we got to give them. Because if we don't give them, trust me, somebody will do it for you, my virgin. I'd say it a million times too. The fastest we are virgin for help another virgin is with a woman. No virgin don't like help, them virgin first and say, yo, I'm gonna deal with man. But make a virgin ball out, yo, my woman wants some help here, you know, she want a man. And trust me, you see, you're fast and ready for volunteer. I don't know why. But man love help them virgin with them woman. And that's the only thing man glad for help man with. There was this woman, you know, who claimed that her man no use. And she meet another little man and say, yo, that brother look good, you know, cause you see some people underestimate life seriously, you know. Anyway, she meet a little man and start moving him. And when she find out uselessness, and the little man she find, she say, my God, I want me do your lad. She said, she tell me, she said to herself, she said, God, I want me do your lad. Me I run left one useless man and find a man who worse than him. Eh? I mean, I almost want to show off for the boy and say, find a real man, you know. And just say she can't give him one cup piece. Boy. The whole heap of whatever him and yam. The whole heap of whatever him and drink. Make him couldn't meet it. Trust me, she said, boy, I tell you. So we have to give them what they want. So right now, this is one you know him say. Him have to get a girl that has slingers. I'm say if you don't share it, when I play one more song for the young artists, you know, they better share it up and make the people them know say we are give them what they want. Slingers say him have to get a girl and him know have to get a girl. Let's hear what him have to say. Young artist too.
Instinct like go good, go weird. Tell them see I get in. She next so easy to get a girl. You know take long dog. Touch by the street and get a girl. You know take long dog. The girl a race to make a girl. And that never take long dog. So she goes in scheme and get a girl. You know take long dog. Tell them see I get in. Bad and brave. Most talk and never look a girl and fail. Who better let go a girl and share. You ever see a young girl have one meal? She a search for cash. And on my waist, Burberry cologne, girl a follow me chill. Except the foot and the back of my waist. She know how every single part of me taste. Your breast are easy, nigga.
If the young artist are reaching you, talk to me. Me say if the young artist by the name of Slingers is reaching you, because we're doing young artist segment this time. If him are reaching you, talk to me. Seriously. If the young artist are really touching you, let me hear from you now.
Touch by the street and get a girl. You know I take long dog. The girl a race to me take a girl. And that never take long dog. Touchy hose in scheme and get a girl. You know I take long dog. Chop move. They get a girl free, me no buy them a sell. She a tick on the clock all the time, them a swell. If the girl no slingers and a lie, me a tell. But if I got a yes girl, you a lie, she a tell. They get a black river girl in a mobile town. Lipstick like overgrown, go we around 80. Turn up in my car, she love your son. She want a real bad man, she not gun your clown dog. So easy to get a girl. You know take long dog. Touch by the street and get a girl.
I want to say good afternoon to Marcia Elizabeth Roberts, big of herself. And we say if the young artists are reaching you, we want to get to respond on it. Slingers is his name, is from Jamaica, St. Elizabeth to be exact.
And that never take long dog. Touchy hose in scheme and get a girl. You know take long dog. Tell them see a 18, bad and brave. Most talk and never look a girl and fail. Why better let go a girl and share. You ever see a young girl have one meal? She a search for the cash. And on my waist, Burberry cologne. Girl a follow me chill. Except my foot and the back of my waist. She know how every single part of me taste. You know take long dog. Touch by the street and get a girl. You know take long dog. The girl a breeze to me take a girl. And that never take long dog. Touchy hose in scheme and get a girl. You know take long dog. So easy to get a girl. Don't take long dog.
Well, right now I look on a caption on Facebook with a pretty or attractive young woman, semi-naked, skin be clad. And you know the caption say, scam my money. Hey, Jamaican people are ramping, you know. The girl look real good. And somebody caption it and say, scam my money, make she look so good. Wow. Big and serious. So we bring back the days them then. Peters, Derek, big and serious. Jamaica, large up. And all the Barbados people, them and the Bahamas people, them large up.
Bring it back,
Tell me what you think about the artist here. Yeah, man. Tell me if you don't sound good. Tell me if you don't feel same can go out there. Tell me if you don't love him. Tell me. Derek Peters, talk to me, people. Tell me what you think about him. Him sound good too, you know? You don't love him?
Wish I could bring back those days when we go and dance and nobody but no life lasts. Oh, what a time it was when they really jump and everybody just said jump up. No one fighting in the days, no romancing in the days, no one fighting in the days, no battle playing in the days. Bring it back, bring it back, bring back the conscious music. Bring it back, bring back the roots music. Bring it back, bring back the conscious music. Bring it back, bring back the roots music. Please, Mr. DJ, drop a old time song, make we scan the night away. Oh, what I'm feeling when they really make the kick and we don't care what people say. We have a good reason, cause we are dance through bad up from night till break the day. That's woman fighting in the games, two romancing in the days.
Where say the artist are feeling, or not feel the artist? Tell me. Or not feel the artist or not feel him? Him not good. What is the people? Wanna love him? Okay, wanna love him. Sure guy, love him. Who again? Yes, sure guy, love him. Sure guy say more fire for him, more power, more love. Blast up, blast up. Elizabeth, you love him? Him a go on good? You like the vibe? Tell me if the artist here touch you. Martin Elizabeth Roberts. Yeah man, we want to bring back the days when happiness in a dance. We want to bring back the days when we can dance freely without violence and killing and death and gun. You know how many people afraid to go dance now because they know what people them lose because of dance. Man stab man, man shot man, man bust back in a man head, man take metallic man fling down man on the floor so hard him dead. There's so many violence into the dance and we don't know where it come from. We don't know where this devil come from in our music. No one fighting in the days, no romancing in the days, no one fighting in the days, no battle playing in the days. Elaine Swaby, you still party? Tell me, Elaine, you party still? Bring back the roots music. Bring back the conscious. You know, I tell you like my party, but who me party with? I party with the spirits. Yeah man, I party with the spirits. Can't party with human being again. I party with the spirit this time. And me and them dance and drink with white rum when they're ready. The man can tell but just can't go away. Too busy if you go home. Trust me, big and serious. We want back the days right now. Slingers is saying something to us. He's asking for some protection. Young artist.
Guide my steps.
guide my steps. Whoa, guide my steps, guide my steps. Blessings and blessings in the family. Now make them take away my blessings in the man. Jamaica, you know we not stressing for long. Wake up in the sunshine, me stretching me hand. Man on a slave, me lying in my grave. That's why me have to feel the breeze of the waves. Music to me ears, I'm smiling with tears. You watch out and make me see better days. You are Georgia.
What you say about the artist here? Tell me. What you say about the artist here? How him sound to you? How the young artist here sound to you? Is a young artist this? Young youth out of Jamaica. Reach out to me and I reach out to him and I say, yes, you sound good, me youth. We could do something together. We could push something out of fear. What you think about him? Talk to me, people. Listen to the artist and tell me.
You are Georgia. Protect me, protect me. Protect me, protect me. They never want to we have a set. But in the street and me and God a step. And with them did they when they plan to make. Big house man people can't make mama fret. The man grateful for everything. But man grateful for everything. And if I them would I never sing. But tell them anything or anything. You are Georgia. Protect me, protect me. Protect me, protect me. You are Georgia. Protect me, protect me.
Give me your comment on this artist. Tell me what you think about this artist here. I don't love him. I don't feel him can go out there. Give him some glory. Young artist out of Jamaica. We know the Derek Peters gone already. Nothing can stop him. Nothing can stop singers. Tell me now. Let him go. Talk to me here and feel about the youth here. The youth say protect me. And trust me, youth. Trust me, people. I'm not giving an honest opinion about the artist. If you don't feel so the artist really are reaching out, yes. If you don't feel so, fair enough. Everybody don't want tears and nobody can fight you for your own feelings. And I mean, hope an artist not reach. Hope an artist not reach me. And me talk it every day. The artist is not my artist. But him sing him song. And that's how you go. No become me no, I know my artist, you know mean say no good. It means them not reach my taste, me not like it. And we have a right in a democratic society to talk we don't like. But not when I'm here in the seat here. But when I sit down with my friend them, me have a right to say, oh, the artist say him good but not my artist. When I spend an hour listen to him. So what do you say about the artist here? Talk to me. Him reach, you know? Bless up Ziana, bless up. Bless up Ziana. Bless up. The man said guide my step. Big and serious. So right now, what do you say about him?
Guide my steps. Guide my steps. Blessings and blessings in the family. Now make them take away my blessings in the man. Jamaica, you know we not stressing for long. Wake up in the sunshine, me stretching me hand. Man on a slave, me lying in my grave. That's why me have to feel the breeze of the waves. Music to me ears, I'm smiling with tears. You watch out and make me see better days. You are Georgia. Protect me, protect me. Protect me, protect me. You are
Yes, sure guys, a positive song. Who else share the same idea? Talk to me, man. Talk to me. Sure guys, a positive song, which is so good. I will like that. Because the young artists still have to build them, you know, have to bust them and push them out there.
protect me, protect me. Protect me, protect me. They never want to we have a set. But in the street and me and God a step. And with them did they when they plan to make. Big house man people can't make mama fret. The man grateful for everything. But man grateful for everything. And if I tell me would I never sing. But tell them anything or anything. You are Georgia. Georgia. Protect me, protect me. Protect me, protect me.
The man is crying out for protection. The way how Jamaica run, the man is crying out for protection, and a real tune this. Yeah man, the man not telling no madness. You wanna ball out for protection, a real positive song. I love it.
My blessings, my man. Jamaica, you know we not stressing for long. Wake up in the sunshine, me stretching my hand. Man on a slave, me not in no grave. That's why me have to feel the breeze of the waves. Music to me ears, I'm smiling with tears. You are Georgia, make me see better days. You are Georgia, Georgia. Protect me, protect me. Protect me, protect me. You are Georgia, Georgia. Protect me, protect me. Protect me, protect me.
That one called Protect Me by the artist named Slingers. Big and serious. So now we have another artist on the turntable right now, and he go by the name of Young Marco. Tell me what you say about Marco. Tell me how you feel Marco. Bless up Marco and give Marco some amount of glory.
Whoa, yeah. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Yo, I with me.
Lovely tune, lovely tune. I can't see the people start to react already. Lovely, 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 lovely tune. Yes.
Miss you, but I can't stand it. Whoa, your eyes with me in like a magnet. I can't stand it. I can make this love manifest into more than what it is, but you're the only one that I can talk to. Look at how I
sound like an Aiken to me.
Yeah, but I don't want you thinking that I need you. This love of passion sparing, see through. Sir, I don't want you thinking that I need you. This love of passion sparing, see through, see through, see through. Whoa. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Your eyes put me in like a magnet. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Whoa. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Whoa. Your eyes put me in like a magnet. Yeah. I can't. The North Pole is not as cold these days. I stare inside the souls. I know you glitter, girl. You know that you're not gold. The South Pole is just as cold. I know I'm better on my own, but you still call me and you text me on my phone. But I don't want you thinking that I need you. This love of passion sparing is so see-through. Don't want you thinking that I need you. This love of passion sparing, see-through. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Whoa, your eyes put me in like a magnet. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Whoa, I miss you, but I can't stand it. Miss you, but I can't stand it.
Miss you, but I can't stand it.
Like a magnet. Yeah, I can't. I'm not bitter, just sour in my mouth. Yeah, if your love is water.
Greetings, Marcia. Bless up yourself, sister. Keep it real. And right now, I have to lift this song from top to the very last drop. Got a song you have a whole heap in it. Trust me. I love it. I love it. As a matter of fact, I love all the songs. That song on this radio station right now with the young artists. I love everyone. Trust me.
Whoa, yeah. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Your eyes put me in like a magnet. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Whoa. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Miss you, but I.
Up, Marcia. Up. God bless you. Keep it real.
I can't stand it. I can make this love manifest into more than what it is, but you're the only one that I can talk to. Look at how I settle when you walk through, yeah. But I don't want you thinking that I need you. This love of passion sparing, see through. Sir, I don't want you thinking that I need you. This love of passion sparing, see through, see through, see through. Whoa. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Your eyes pull me in like a magnet. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Whoa. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Whoa. Your eyes pull me in like a magnet. Yeah. I can't. The North Pole is not as cold these days. I stare inside the souls. Although you glitter, girl, you know that you're not gold. The South Pole is just as cold. I know I'm better on my own, but you still call me and you text me on my phone. But I don't want you thinking that I need you. This love of passion's burn is so see-through. Don't want you thinking that I need you. This love of passion's burn, see-through. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Miss you, but I can't stand it. Whoa.
Real artists will love this song. I love it. I love it. I love it. Beautiful song, well put together in my opinion. I love it. And go out there and support the young artist. Trust me. Young Marco. Yeah man, he might go on good. Give him some glory. Give him some love. A young artist. We have to really push him out there. Because you know, say a whole heap of big fish out there we want to squeeze him out. But young Marco have a place in the business. Trust me. People give him some glory, no man. Don't be so tight on him. Don't lock him out. Don't shut him out. Because the youth are good. Let go the youth them, man. Glorify the youth them. Give them some credit. Share it. Send it out there. Tell the world that Young Marco is the next artist. Tell the world that Slingers is the next artist. Tell the world that Mr. Peters, Derek Peters, is another artist. Them artists are find them way somewhere in the business. So don't hold them back. Let it go. Share it out there. Send it out there. Make people hear that the young artists them really are do some great work. And them positive too. And like some of them will damage up our youth. I tell our youth to turn prostitute. I tell our youth to turn gunmen. And all them something that glorify negativity. Them youth are clear. Them youth are straight up. On the right path. Big them up, man. Give them some glory. Now here is Slingers.
You Slingers, give me powers. That song, yeah, give me powers. More heroes and more dollars. Yeah, 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 yeah. Keep God. Believe in yourself, just the process. Some people might make them, but make them oneself. Up late at night, but not no risk. One only faith can do this. I just lost we can't let the money till it goes sell. Just one all the faith coming no sell. Money have to come in and we hand now blow it. That's why me can't bring always loaded. Me not see no one me life shorter. Blessings are flow. I just love the flow. On the radio, Baba Shukube you go. Yeah man, all after again say big up. BSB Radio London. One only faith can do this. I just lost we can't let the money till it goes sell. Just one all the faith coming no sell. Money have to come in and we hand now blow it. That's why me can't drink always loaded. Me not see no one me life shorter. Blessings are flow like pipe water. And I don't want to see me life off. In the fat market see me drive past. And them can't send no crosses for my part. Cause me always good with my God.
What you say about the artist? Tell me. What you say about him? Them artists are going real good, the young youth them, and them positive so much. Them not take the direction of the alkaline. Them not take the direction of the different man them. The one them who speak negativity in the atmosphere and to come back and destroy you, me, and everybody.
All them talk when I hear them. You will know your place. Nothing can stop when we live here. Believe in yourself, just the process. Some people might tell them, but make them oneself. Up late at night, but not no risk. One only faith can do this. I just lost we can't let the money till it goes sell. Just one all the faith.
Share the song, share the thing, man. Make the song out there for them youth to make some money now. Share it, make them youth to get established, to make people get to know them now. Share the thing, man. Send it out there. Don't stifle the youth, them, man. Share it on your page. That the youth them can really go out there and eat the food. Because the youth them really deserve it. Trust me. You see me ball out and I beg for them. I beg for them for you know.
Believe in yourself, just the process. Some people might tell them, but man them oneself. Up late at night, but not no risk. One only faith can know this. I just lost we can't let the money.
Yes, Marcia, positive music for you, young youth them. And the youth them really want it food to just share it on your page and send it out there. You never can tell with big boy or big girl will come up and say, yeah, me love that youth and I promote him and push him out there in a different level. That's why when a young youth come to it, we have to just really embrace them and put them out there because it's a big fight. We call it hog in the mud. Because right now, the bigger hog, them going to squeeze the small pig them. And for them youth, they really are fighting and try to come through. If you help them up the leather, man. Trust me. Them youth, I couldn't go out this in a bus gun and a scam and a do a kind of madness, you know. Them youth, I said, no. Me take music. And music will take him out of poverty. The youth, them say music will take them out of poverty because them don't want to go up on the negative part. Bless up the youth, them. Give them some glory. Share it. Send it out here and make the youth them get established, man.
Hey there, this is Natalie. And you tune into BSB radio station, artist radio in town.
BSB Radio, I Stacey Charming and representing for BSB Radio. I'm here to say a woman power. Yeah.
I've got love in my heart for my brothers and my sisters. So much love.
Right now, here comes Sheba. Queen Sheba. Out of London to the world. Big and hot, big and serious. BSB to the world. I say the young artists them want to glorify them and bless them up because them are try to save the business. You know, say the music business gone, man, because of the contamination, because of the filth them put into the music. And them young artists are try big up it and I try live up. You know, give them some strength now. This is a Queen of Sheba out of London to the world. Give her some strength and glorify the thing and make it go out there. Share it, send it out there. Make it go viral. Send it right out there, man. Share with every one of your friends and ask your friend to share it and make it going. Somebody somewhere will hear these artists and realize the potential and move with them. Trust me. Send it out there, man. Don't hold it back. Don't stop the artists, them.
Every one of them. Hi, I'm your girl Ashika, and you're tuned into BSB Radio, listening to Baba Shukube. Keep it locked.
Baba Shukube, mad. That facility cannot talk it. And the boy talk about Baba business.
You know what gonna happen? Yes. I will deal with them thing there. Deli rank, big up yourself. Bless up my brethren. Keep it real. Right now, on the grind, we have a young artist here by the name of Young Marco. Listen to him good and tell me what you think and share it. Let the world hear these artists. Share it, send it out there. Don't fear to send it out there. Young Marco on the turntable.
Such a beautiful day. Yo, Matt, love.
Look, listen, yeah. Now some would say why I ain't made it yet. They ask me how I'm doing. I'm okay, I guess. I beg the trees when I get depressed. My mommy crying on her knees, her Lord knows best. While I feel hopeless now.
What you think about him? What you think about him? Tell me what you think about the artist. What you think? You don't think the artist here really spit some real lyrics? If you don't think so, share it, send it out there. Get it out there, because the youth, them and go on good. Listen to the youth. How the youth are going bad.
Yeah, nevertheless I stuck to it, never gave up. I went to school, yellow homie got his brain up. Yeah, but that's when everything changed. Of the money, the people, they change when the fame comes. Now who gon' ride, who gon' die with me? Hold it down, put their life on the line with me. I'm in the dark, who gon' let that light shine on me? I looked around and I saw no one. Nobody, now this room feels like a safe place. Got the tissue, wipe the tears on his face. Just in case, they say the tie and the belt from his waist before he journeys to the belly of disgrace. Yeah, look at me now, over here walking on the clouds. I know the haters gonna hate, but you gon' never tear me down, because a smile is just a frown that's been turned upside down. Got me sipping on that whiskey. Wondering, man, should I risk it? No. The darkness of the night is just a matter of time. You gotta wait a little bit before you see the sunshine. So I grind on my grind, yo, I grind on my grind, yo, I grind on my grind. Man, you got all that bread, I'm just asking for a biscuit. Never asked for this life, to me it was gifted. So, you know I gotta do the most. To my past, I would like to make a toast now. Yeah. Now who gon' ride, who gon' die with me? Hold it down, put that life on the line with me. I'm in the dark, who gon' let that light shine on me? I looked around and I saw no one. Nobody, now this room feels like a safe place. Got the tissue, wipe the tears on his face. Just in case, let's take the tie and the belt from his waist before he journeys to the belly of disgrace.
Yes, Alien Swaby, bless up. Bless up, Alien Swaby. Big and serious. Yes, man, keep it real.
Nevertheless, I stuck to it, never gave up. I went to school, yeah, little homie got his brain up. Yeah, but that's when everything changed. Of the money, the people, they change when the fame comes now. The darkness of the night is just a matter of time. You gotta wait a little bit before you see the sunshine. So I grind on my grind, yo, I grind on my grind, yo, I grind on my grind. The darkness of the night is just a matter of time. You gotta wait a little bit before you see the sunshine. So I grind on my grind, yo, I grind on my grind, yo, I grind on my grind.
Baba Shukube. You know reach in effect, I'm a gusto, you haven't Baba Shukube, me say yo, we not talk and run, me kill them and done. You know me say a BSB radio classic, if you don't know the BSB movement, I say the whole of London, you don't know reach in effect, play. Yo, when I touch the radio station, it's collection empty, empty. The radio station on the jumper rule, the turn on the century, century. Tell them you're not big and tell them you're soon plenty, plenty. Cause when you touch the radio station, your fans go crazy. Papa Chocobe, you kill them anywhere, anywhere. Some of that is lucky anywhere, anywhere. Papa Chocobe, you anywhere, anywhere. Some of that station anywhere, anywhere. In a competition, you're the one in the set. You're not afraid of nobody like teacher say. Can't cool, can't quench like cargo say. Make them open free like my father say. Higher them and higher them live like the vegans say. But you run out on them like a landy say. Cross hungry with a rebel wild order say. But you back from your barn like Munga say. You man don't know about Chocobe, I want to them.
Mikey, I stay so charming, and I say, a woman power. I know you love when the girls them wine pan it and flick pan it and split pan it, now dip pan it. Them love them Sunday when we sit down pan it. We wine pan it, we flick pan it, we split pan it, now dip pan it. We love that Sunday when we sit down pan it. I mean, I say, stay so charming, and big up yourself, Mikey, to the world.
Hear this. Sing a man say, when your best friend becomes your lady. When your best friend becomes your lady. When your best friend becomes your lady. It's a very good feeling. You know, me just chilling, you know, listen to BSB radio. Bad!
Yo, what's some boy I deal with? I'm not saying BSB radio around the world.
Charlie, representing for BSB radio in London, watching out Baba Shukube, big up yourself, you know. Not true this. A loyalty we say, Baba Shukube, you are my real friend. Loyalty we say, London, you are my real friend. No boy can't change my mind against my real friend. Shukube, I know we that. No girl, no money can't mash up me and my friend. Hey boy, you must see that. If me and my friend have an argument, front of me real friend, yes, we have to agree back. Me nah get bad man to Baba Kube. Clarty again. Assuredly, I represent the BSB radio station in London with Baba Shukobe. You don't know, so the Chulani city, so boy, I represent. How we say, we don't give them say shortly Buhosi. We have girls from London to Uochi. And if a champagne bus make we toast, a girl alone can come closer. Baba, radio station, but BSB should be a represent.
On the radio, I just love the flow. On the radio, Baba Shukube, you go. Yeah, man, I'm telling you, so big up BSB Radio London.
You're listening to the best, top of the top radio station. It's BSB Radio. It's your girl Zena. Keep it tuned and stay locked.
Right now, we have the pilot again. This man steer you into another journey musically. And this pilot here is gonna take you to another level. So prepare for this flight. New artist pilot on the turntable.
I think you got me the line.
Really?
Evening night. And early morning flight. I'm your pilot. So just sit back and enjoy the ride.
Okay. I trust you.
My girl, you want to tease me, not the evening breeze. From Belize in the West Indies, I just want to be in the house like these. You make me get all like the parties. Come from Los Angeles. I'm when you tall when time of freeze. Me want to be in the house like these. You make me get all like the parties. One in a million girl, just catch on me bike like a billion girl. From come on, shoot to a billion girl. Me is not the little silly man. No, me is not the little willy man. No, me no walk like.
You know, so sorry, say you're locked into BSB Radio Classic Radio. Keep it locked. Don't move that side. Over BSB Radio, I'll be a big tune to play over you. BSB Classic Radio. And you the people know you are the best of them choice. You play music so right, right.
Some full of an emotion. Right now, the baby have a proportion. That's enough. Across the ocean, let me stand up for you. Like me in a devotion. I make two chef. That will never mess with my nerves. If I get my make them make iPhone, then I you make Blackberry make curve. My girl, you know some. Tease me not the evening breeze. From Belize in the West Indies, I just want to be now.
When you say about the artist here, when you say, when I give him some glory, send him out the man, a Paul man, pilot. One boy saying we're out of California, USA. The pilot himself steering you to another level musically in the evening breeze. I will love how evening breeze feel, you know. Yeah man, I feel good.
Tease me not the evening breeze. From Belize in the West Indies, I just want to win the arms like these. Let me get all like the palm trees. Come from Vegas or Los Angeles.
One time of freeze.
In the arms like these. My girl.
And that's all, folks.
Here another one here, Singer Jalayan. Yeah man, bless up the youth, see we carry them out there. Send them out there, share them, young artists them.
I bet out tomorrow, so vegan. Just listen to my song. It's a new day, I bet out tomorrow. No pain, no aches, no sorrow. A new day, I bet out tomorrow. Yesterday gone, gone. A new day, I bet out tomorrow. No pain, no aches, no sorrow. A new day, I bet out tomorrow. Tomorrow must come. Give thanks to God
Any advice if you're not bad today, try to do good tomorrow. Real talk, or else you're going to sorrow. I want like a youth to sing, you know. We don't want to hold back the youth, I don't want to share it out to make everybody hear the youth. What I do? I want like a child to express and to give you good advice and I say, listen, careful of your action. Because if you're making a wrong move, tomorrow you're going to regret it if you don't repair it. I want like a youth, you know. I tell you that. I tell the world that. Whoa. Hear the voice of small child. Well, alright, the one they done. We're gonna play another one by the artist and then we're gonna say so long. Because serious. This is the last song from the artist or from the segment and we say so long. We'll do it again for you tomorrow, God's willing. And I wanna say to you, be peaceful, be nice, be good, be humble to everyone you meet because mad people out there. And mad people do mad things and madness. Trust me. Let us be careful in life when you walk in earth. And make sure you take care of yourself. Because I want you to come back here tomorrow that we can meet and do it again, different way, different day.
I sing Jalayan, rich them tough like I am, left up from Zion. That respect, it man the production. I too, big up yourself. My journey and my journey. Why pagans want to start me? Fire me father in my light, my steps. My guide, my journey long, and it's a very long one. If you want to listen to my songs, my journey long, and it's a very long one. To the future, fallacy, Jalayan, my journey long, and it's a very long one. If you want to listen to my song, my journey long, and it's a very long one. To the future, fallacy, Jalayan. Alright, Mr. Chatter. And them want me to stop, to guide my step, both them set them traps. I know right, wrong, my bone that. Ha, my journey long, they don't know how far me I come from, how far me I have to go. They don't know how far me I come from, because they don't have a clue. My journey long, and it's a very long one. If you want to listen to my songs, my journey long, and it's a very long one. To the future, fallacy, Jalayan, my journey long, and it's a very long one. If you want to listen to my song, my journey long, and it's a very long one. To the future, fallacy, Jalayan. Alright, me say book up and watch pagan and look. Me at a book Bible and a gun them go to. Me say book up, me at a dictionary. To the future, pick out and use the word. Make them say education is free, but still my father pay for it. Them say education is free, but still my father pay. My journey long, and it's a very long one. If you want to listen to my song, my journey long, and it's a very long one. To the future, fallacy, Jalayan, my journey long.
The youth say my journey long, and it's a very long one. This youth is far and deep, you know. The youth, yeah, is far and deep. Him say them say education free, but I lie them tell in other words, because my father have to pay for it. A child I tell with that, you know. I don't want to stop the child. I say I want to share it out there to people on a page, man. I make the youth go out there because the youth have a message. And I believe the youth is a prophet, you know. I believe the youth is a prophet because the youth is whoever write the song for the youth or for the youth write the song. I want a wicked show, me I tell you. Yeah man, sing a Jalayan, big up yourself youth. Say my journey long, it's a very long one. Listen. My journey long, it's a very long one.
And them want me to stop, to guide my step, both them set them traps. I know right, wrong, my bone that. Ha, my journey long, they don't know how far me I come from, how far me I have to go.
Well, sir, share the youth here, share the youth here. share the youth and send the youth out there. The youth need to go out there. Trust me, I beg you now. And I'm going to go up many. We want to send the youth out there because the youth deserve to go viral with that song. Yeah, my journey long. It's a very long one. It's big and serious. I'm telling you. Let me think the song finish because you know this is the end of my show for today. Still BSB gonna still running, artists gonna still play, music gonna still be on, and DJ will be there. So don't feel no way. But my journey long, it's a very long one. Sing a Jalayan.
For me to come from, because they don't have a clue. My journey long, and it's a very long one. If you want to listen to my song, my journey long, and it's a very long one. To the future fella sing Jalaya. My journey long, and it's a very long one. If you want to listen to my songs, my journey long, and it's a very long one. To the future fella sing Jalaya. Alright, me say book, and watch me gonna look. Me a talk book Bible and a gun them gun took. Me say book, me a talk dictionary. To the future pig I can use the word. Me them say education is free, but still my father pay for it. Them say education is free, but still my father pay. My journey long, and it's a very long one. If you want to listen to my songs, my journey.
BSB Classic Radio. Burn some bridge in a life. Some bridge you want for burn down flat. For doors home in a life BSB. Some doors slam lock. Cause of them a fussy and no rate you. And of them a fussy and I like you. Run it. Yeah, BSB Classic Radio. Play music for the people now. Play music for the